Welcome to SS Window Selection, Way of Learning. Subscribe the channel, click on bell icons for daily updates. Today's topic is hobbies and interest. What is your hobbies? Why should you have these hobbies? Okay? And what is your interest? What is your interest? And what you are getting from? These are the questions are asked by the interviewing officers. Okay? During your SSB interview. So you have to understand it is one of the most important video. So I will show you what is the difference between hobbies and interest, and what are the benefit of hobbies and interest. In the last, I will give you a list of hobbies in which you can select one of them and started grasping all the essential requirements and practicing according to it. And you also get knowledge about it. Like if you have a hobby of reading books, so what the benefit of this book, what books you have read, okay, and what thing you have got particular books, the publication, and lot of questions are there. So you have to understand it is one of the most important video I am going to tell you about. So lot of candidates ask me, sir, please tell me, I don't have any hobby, what should I write in PIQ? If you don't have a hobby, you should not need to write any hobby. Okay, if you don't have, don't have. Okay, if you have, but every candidate should have one hobby. So you start grasping a hobby. Okay, just take a hobby from the list one of you like and start working on it. Definitely within a 21 days, if you continuously doing any work continue up to 21 days, then it's become your hobby, and you should maintain your continuity. Okay, तो let's start. सबसे पहले मैं डिफरेंस की बात करता हूँ. तो हॉबी, देखो, हॉबी इज ए रेगुलर एक्टिविटी इज डन फॉर इंजॉयमेंट, टिपिकली ड्यूरिंग द वंस लीजर टाइम. So you understand, hobby is not only you have to make a burden on your body or your mind. It is for your leisure. Okay, it is your for enjoyment, like listening music. Okay, it is one of the best hobby. Most of the candidates have, most of the Indian citizens have. But you have to understand what type of the music you are listening and what you like. Okay, why should have this particular hobby? Okay, by conditional participating in the particular hobby, you can acquire the substantial skill and knowledge in this area. If you have a reading books, ठीक है, if you have a collecting coins, तो you can understand how many type of the coins, the foreign countries coin, या पर ancient time coins. तो lot of things you can get aware the knowledge, and you can increase your skills also. Like somebody have a, sir, I would like to learn new things. ठीक है, I have a hobby to learn new things. So it is one of the best things you have. Okay, about the interest. ठीक है, interest is a feeling of wanting to know or learn. If you want to learn a particular language in the computer, ठीक है, तो it is one of your interest. ठीक है, but the main thing is what is the cause? Why should you want to this? It is one of the major things. Whenever you go for SSB, you should understand the what, why, and how. ठीक है, so these things is very important. Why you like these things? ठीक है, you have to understand one thing also. If one have a strong interest on some subject, ठीक है, तो ही सी, ठीक है, मे टर्न इनटू द हॉबी. यदि आपके पास पर्टिकुलर कोई हॉबी, इफ यू हैव पर्टिकुलर इंटरेस्ट, यू कैन टर्न इनटू द हॉबी. बट एन इंटरेस्ट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू बी ए हॉबी. पर इंटरेस्ट कभी भी ये नेसेसरी नहीं है कि हॉबी हो सकती है. ठीक है, तो ये एक एग्जांपल है. फर्स्टली यू हैव टू मेक इंटरेस्ट ऑन द पर्टिकुलर एरिया या पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक या पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स, देन ग्रेजुअली इट्स बिकम योर हॉबी. ठीक है, एंजॉय योर हॉबी. ठीक है, definitely spare your life. Just give a little difference in between both hobby and interest. ठीक है, hobby is an activity done regularly in the time in leisure time for pleasure. Okay, interest is a feeling of the wanted to learn more about something or to be involved in something. It is a interest, like playing games. ठीक है, it is a interest. Yeah, you like to play games, any games you can play. ठीक है, अच्छा, परस्यूटेड एक्टिविटीज है. इट इज नॉट ए परस्यूटेड एक्टिविटी, मे बी ड्राइवन बाय द एन इंटरेस्ट. ये इंटरेस्ट जो है आपका इंप्रूव होकर आपका क्या बन सकता है, हॉबी बन सकता है. मे नॉट बी नेसेसरी लीड टू दी ए हॉबी. नाउ आई हैव गिवन सम लिस्ट ऑफ द हॉबीज एंड इंटरेस्ट. देखो, लिसनिंग म्यूजिक इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट हॉबी. कार्टून मेकिंग, लॉट ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स आर राइटिंग द कार्टून मेकिंग. तो विच टाइप ऑफ कार्टून यू आर मेकिंग? ठीक है, तो ठीक है, कॉलेज मेकिंग वॉल हैंगिंग, रिपेयरिंग हाउस एंड होल्ड गैजेट्स, कुकिंग, फोटोग्राफी, ट्रैवलिंग, ठीक है, बॉन्साई, ड्राइविंग, रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर, इंटीरियर डेकोरेशंस, ठीक है, क्ले मॉडलिंग, एरो मॉडलिंग. तो letter writing is one of the best. Diary writing, journal writing, you also know it is one of the best. ठीक है, writing poem, some of the students can write these things. ठीक है, and sketching, painting, ठीक है, collecting coins, lot of the you can understand these things. These are the hobby and interest. You should select one for your hobby, okay, and one for your interest. What happen whenever you select one for your hobby and interest, you just start continuously working for up to the 21 days, and you can acquire, ठीक है, lot of knowledge about it, because whenever you write, ठीक है, in your PIQ, the IO या your interviewing officer definitely ask some question on particular hobby and interest, so you have to give answer accordingly. ठीक है, if you continuously doing, definitely it is not an issue. If you have a particular hobby, you definitely give an answer. Like if you have a hobby of reading newspaper, so you can give any answer, like which type of which newspaper you are reading, sir, Times of India या The Hindu. Okay, tell me the page of editorial page. Okay, you can tell. ठीक है, 8 to 9, anyone, but you okay, who is the writer of last post you have read, you have editorial you have read. ठीक है, which page you like, how many pages in this newspaper. ठीक है, which days newspaper you like. ठीक है, like Sunday, anything you like, game paper, game section in this particular. So these are the question. So you can understand. If you have a journal writing, ठीक है, it's known as diary writing also, so you should understand you have to start writing, and within a 30 to 40 days you definitely improve your not only your hobby. It's not only become your hobby, but you can improve your writing skill also. ठीक है, and you can understand what are the weaknesses, yeah, what are the daily mistakes you have doing. Okay, so these things are very essential for your defense aspirants. In the last, if you have any doubts and the questions, you can ask me in any time in the video comments box. Lot of candidates ask me, sir, make a video on English language. So I'm just trying to make a video in English language. Definitely I do not have a good communication skills, but I can share my knowledge and experience through whatever I have got through my services. Okay, so you can ask any question and doubts in video comment box. I always give a reply within 1 and 2 hours, and it will definitely help you. If in the last, share with your friends this. If you like this video, share with your friends so that you can help them, and this also reflect your OLB. Take option like behavior, and OLB can make OLQ, and it definitely help you to get recommended. Thank you so much video. Thank you so much for watching this video.